In this session, we are going to learn about adjective. Okay, adjective. Adjective speaks, generally adjective speaks about quality, quantity, okay, quality, quantity, degree and nature of the noun. Nature of the noun. From the adjective, we can know what the state of the subject. Okay, subject means here I am saying about noun. Okay, today's reader is a tomorrow's leader. Okay, today's reader, tomorrow's leader. It is a successive slogan. Then now we can go to our session adjective. Okay, adjective. Adjective means quality, quantity, nature and state. Then we can go now. The first one is achanak. We have to pronounce it as achanak. Then meaning is suddenly. अचानक उसका देहांत हो गया. अचानक उसका देहांत हो गया means suddenly he died. Suddenly he died. Then the second one is sahi. The pronunciation is sahi. We have to pronounce it as sahi. The meaning is accurate. Accurate. Okay. I am saying the answer accurately. Okay, I am saying the answer accurately. मैं आपका जवाब सही तरह की कहती हूँ. मैं आपका जवाब सही तरह की कहती हूँ. This is the meaning of sahi. Then the third one is sab. Sab. Then the pronunciation is sab, meaning is all. सब लोग यहाँ रहते हैं. सब लोग यहाँ रहते हैं. All the people live here. Then the fourth one is naras. Naras. Okay. The pronunciation is naras, meaning is angry. बच्चे मुझसे नाराज हो गया. बच्चे मुझसे नाराज हो गया. The child angry with me. Okay. Then the fifth one is sundar. Sundar. Pronunciation is sundar. Meaning is beautiful. Meaning is beautiful. आप बहुत सुंदर हैं. आप बहुत सुंदर हैं. You are so beautiful. Then sixth one is अच्छा. अच्छा. Pronunciation is अच्छा. Meaning is better or good. Better or good. If somebody asks us, how are you? Then we can say, I am fine. Okay, we can say, I am fine. I am feeling better now. Likewise, there here in Hindi, we can say, आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? Okay, हम उनकी जवाब देंगे कि मैं अच्छा हूँ. मैं अच्छी हूँ. Okay, मैं अच्छी हूँ. Otherwise, in the class, if the students saying the answer correctly, then the teachers praises them as good, very good, better. We can get remarks from the teacher as good, better, very good. Okay, likewise in Hindi, we can say it as अच्छा. अच्छा, आप अच्छा कहते हैं. Then the seventh one, बड़ा. Okay, बड़ा. बड़ा pronunciation is बड़ा, meaning is big. ताजमहल देखने समय बड़ा है. Okay, ताजमहल देखने समय बड़ा है. तंजावुर. Okay, we all know about Tanjavur Pragadishwarar temple. Tanjavur Pragadishwarar temple. It is so big, we can't say the height accurately. We can't say that. On seeing, we can't say the height accurately. Tanjavur Pragadishwara temple bada hai. Okay. Then the eighth one, Savdan. Savdan. Pronunciation is Savdan. Meaning is careful. सड़क में जाने समय सावधान रहना चाहिए. सड़क में जाने समय सावधान रहना चाहिए means while walking in the road we have to carefully walk. Okay, we have to see carefully. Then the ninth one, sasta. sasta. Pronunciation is sasta. Then the meaning is cheap. The meaning is cheap. All the while in the summer season we get the mangoes so cheap. Okay, we get the mango so cheap in the summer time. We can say in Hindi as आम बहुत सस्ता मिलती है, सस्ता मिलती है. Then the 10th one, खराब. 10th one is खराब, खराब. Pronunciation is खराब, meaning is bad. वह बहुत खराब आदमी है. वह बहुत खराब आदमी है means he is a bad man. Then 11th one, कीमत, कीमत. Then pronunciation is कीमत, meaning is costly, meaning is costly. आज का समय हम सोना, आज का समय हम सोना की गहने नहीं खरीद सकते हैं क्योंकि उसकी दाम कीमत है, उसकी दाम कीमत है. Today the rate of the gold is very costly. That's why we can't easily buy that. Then the 12th one, tanda, tanda. Pronunciation is tanda, meaning is cold, meaning is cold. In गर्मी की समय मुझे ठंडे जूस, ठंडे आम का जूस चाहिए means in summer season I want mango juice, cold mango juice. Okay, cold mango juice. This means tanda. Tanda means cold. Then we are moving to the 13th one. 13th one is garam. Okay, garam, hot. Garam, hot. मुझे गरम चाय चाहिए. I want a hot coffee. Chai, hot tea. Okay, I want a hot coffee or tea. Then the 14th one is gehra, gehra, gegra. Pronunciation is gehra. The meaning is deep, meaning is deep. बच्चे उनकी छोटी उम्र में गहरे से सो सकते हैं. बच्चे उनकी छोटी उम्र में गहरे से सो सकते हैं means in the childhood children sleep deeply, children sleep deeply. Okay, the next one is ganda. Okay, ganda. Pronunciation is ganda, meaning is dirty, meaning is dirty. Okay, खेलते समय बच्चे अपने कपड़ों को गंदा करते हैं, अपने कपड़े को गंदा करते हैं means while playing in the ground children's shirts, okay, shirts cloths will be dirty. While playing the shirts will be dirty. Then the 16th one is suka. Suka, suka means dry, suka means dry. Okay, we can buy dry fruits in the shopping malls. We can buy dry fruits in the shopping mall. Suka means dry. सूखा फलों को हम शॉपिंग मॉल में खरीद सकते हैं, शॉपिंग मॉल में हम खरीद सकते हैं. Then the 17th one is आसान, आसान easy. हिंदी सीखना आसान है, हिंदी सीखना आसान है. Learning Hindi is easy. Then खाली means empty, खाली means empty. हर रोज मैं खाली पेट से जा रही हूँ. हर रोज मैं खाली पेट से जा रही हूँ means daily I am going to the office with empty stomach, empty stomach. Then 19th one is mota, fat. Okay, mota, fat. अधिक काजू खाने से हम मोटा हो सकते हैं. ओके, हम मोटा हो सकते हैं. ओके, ईटिंग मोर cashew nuts become fat. Okay, become fat. The 21 is kuch. कुछ pronunciation is कुछ, meaning is few. कुछ लोग हमें जानते हैं. कुछ लोग हमें जानते हैं. Some people knowing us. Some people knowing us. Then 21st. Naya. Naya. Pronunciation is naya. Meaning is new. Meaning is new. हर दीपावली के समय हम नया कपड़े खरीदते हैं. In the time of Deepavali we buy new clothes. Then 22nd, purana, old. Okay, meaning is old. कन्याकुमारी के मीनाक्षी टेम्पल पुराना है. मीनाक्षी टेम्पल पुराना है means in the Kanyakumari Sri Deviki temple is old. Then the 23rd, Mulayam meaning is soft. हर पैदे हुए बच्चे के सूखने से हम देखते हैं उनकी शरीर बहुत मुलायम है. Just born a child, we can touch the child. We feel so soft. It feels so soft. Their skin is so soft. Then the 24th, Garibi means poverty. Okay. हमारी देश की गरीब को हटाना हमारा कर्तव्य है. Okay. The rule for our country. Okay, we have to clear the poverty. In our country. Then 25th one is Dani pronunciation is Dani, meaning is rich. Okay, Dani लोग हमेशा गरीबों को कुछ मदद करते हैं. Rich people sometimes help the poor peoples by giving them some food. In the time of flood we can see many rich people giving food, rice, etc. to the poor people. Okay, these are the adjectives. We can see here the adjectives speaks about the quality, quantity, okay, nature of the subject. Okay, is it clear?